Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add fonts, new fonts, that's better wording, in Mobirise. So let's start. First, what you want to do is go right here to your menu, go to my site and edit site styles. When you have it, you will have fonts on the right side, and now you're gonna see fonts and you can just click more fonts and just browse computer. And I don't know if I have any font right here. Yeah, here. So as you can see, we uploaded amazing font. And this is how you can easily upload fonts in Mobirise. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you with anything else in Mobirise. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.